I'm getting ready to set you guys down. Sorry, I don't have a tripod out, but I'm getting ready to go to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I don't know that I would call this a shop with me by any means, but you know, I'll take you guys with me. And I mean, maybe it will turn into a shop with me, I don't know. I'm putting on my sunblock. I feel like it's really been working. My skin is definitely not looking like it's been exposed to the sun as much as it actually really has from jogging. I'm gonna let that have a minute before I put on my moisturizer, and then I have to film my videos. I also have to mow the lawn, but I don't know if that's gonna be on camera or not, but that's just something I have to do today. Okay. I have to have a lot of water today. I started not drinking as much again the last couple of days, and I was doing really, really good. I was drinking a ton of water. For me, I was getting at least 45 to 50 ounces a day compared to sometimes barely doing 8 ounces a day. So, yeah. It's early in the morning, so I just want to get to Dollar Tree early. I'm gonna go put on my shoes, grab my purse, get some water, and we'll head out. I'm back home and I'm about to make myself a cinnamon roll, some coffee, and just relax for a minute before I take a shower, do my makeup, get to filming my videos. Let's see, I have tomorrow's videos done. I have my Dollar Tree notebook. This is where I write like all of my YouTube to-do stuff. And I'm trying to find, where's my, okay, here we go. But let me show you guys a quick haul. It's actually my daughter. She ordered it off of Amazon and she ordered 2 books. So just so that it's not confusing, the books that will be in the library downstairs will most likely be all mine. And then my daughter keeps her books with her because she loves her books. She reads her books all the time. And these are really interesting. I have not heard of either of these 2, but I wanted to show you guys what she is picking out. This is called Bone Crier's Moon. Looks really interesting. The cover is really beautiful. Absolutely love the cover. Have no idea what this is about, but I'll tell you this. She has some good taste in books. And then the next one is Sarah J. Maas. I think she was telling me about this. It's Crescent City. Sarah J. Maas is also the same author that did Court of Thorns. So if you are into Court of Thorns, you will most likely love Crescent City. Okay, I'm gonna dive into another one of these, pump some more water into my body, and make some coffee. I'm almost out of my sugar, so I'm gonna go ahead and refill. And by the way, this is, oh, girl, no. By the way, this is a Dollar Tree container. I also have absolutely no reason why I feel the need to call out every Dollar Tree product, but I guess because I haul so much, I just wanna let you guys know, you know, like what's being in use and stuff like that. I don't know. after I finished filming my YouTube video for my main channel, which I don't even know if I talked about on this vlog, I just kind of lost some energy, and I was supposed to actually also film a second Dollar Tree haul, and I just couldn't do it. So, yeah, I just feel like if I'm super low energy, I don't want to film for my main channel, because I just want to be, you know, naturally upbeat, and so I don't even try to force myself. But anyhow, I did make the bed, as you can see, which is hilarious because it's like 4 o'clock now. I don't even know what time it is. And I'm gonna go jogging. I took the day off yesterday. My shins have been, yeah, they're pretty sore. They've been screaming at me. I'm probably not stretching them properly enough, and just the impact of running on concrete is not good. But here's my OOTD. It's hard to see the back, but the back is really cute. And I'm doing an all black and neon yellow theme, so definitely giving, you know, the neighborhood Bumblebee vibes. And I'm gonna run away from the zombies again. The app is still kind of confusing. I haven't even sat down to like figure out everything that you do, but once you are done running and you do stuff with what you collected, I think there's like a game within the app too. It's not just running. You like then build your area. If you're new to my vlogs, I'm talking about an app called Zombies Run, and it just makes running essentially more fun. But let's not use that word too strongly, because running from zombies isn't fun, but it definitely can give you like extra motivation. Maybe that's the word we use for that app, is motivation and not fun. But anyway, I'm gonna go jogging, and then after the jog, I'm gonna do the Chloe Ting workout for day 2. My stomach is sore, which is really good because I find that whenever I work out my stomach, it doesn't typically feel that sore. So the fact that it's happening, I know that like my muscles were really used. So I'm gonna go put on my shoes. I already have my sunblock on my face, and I am gonna say goodbye to my newly washed soft hair, because it will be a sweaty mess. I even put it up like in a bun, but it doesn't matter. I sweat profusely from my face. Like that's where all of my sweat comes from. I'm lucky enough that I don't actually sweat underneath my armpits, but girl, it's like somebody turns on a faucet from my hairline and I'm just so anyway, I'll let you know how many zombies got me. I said that in one of the last vlogs, and then as I was editing, I never told you guys what happened, but I'll let you know what happens this time. Guys, I am officially done with that app. I am done. It's throwing me off. I hate those freaking zombies. Out of 4, 2 got me, and I was in a flat out sprint. Okay, my stomach actually hurts right now, but because of that, I'm not gonna do my stomach workout right now. Maybe I'll do it later.